How to redeem a Roblox gift cards. Hey guys, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you that how you can redeem your Roblox gift cards. So the steps are really easy and simple. So now let's get started. So first of all you have to log in into your Chrome or any browser that you are using, and here you have to go into your search bar, and from here you have to search for the roblox.com/redeem. Now from here you just have to scroll down, and here is the option of the how do I redeem a promo code. You have to click on it. Now from here you have to again scroll down, and as you can see that here is the option of the go to redeem Roblox codes. Here is the blue option of the redeem Roblox codes. You just have to click on it, and from here you have to simply enter your gift card, virtual item or any promo code below that you want to use, and you just have to enter a code, and after that you are able to use your redeem gift cards. So if this video helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe the channel, and see you in the next video.